It's like it's getting louder and louder.
Me and Taylor came outside. We were like, huh. And we sat down. And it's almost beautiful sounding, but grim as well.
I know.
It's almost beautiful, but it's scary.
It's almost like trumpets. And that's what they've been hearing around the world. It's the trumpets.
Yeah, I
It sound like
I saw a video of it in London or something. See, it'll get louder.
But
Sound like it's
the
closer,
Chattanooga
even?
Times probably won't say one word about it.
No, nobody will hear about this.
No,
Nobody
they will
cares.
not. They
People think it's a train.
I've turned in UFO videos to them. I've done all kinds of stuff, and they just ignore it.